We often rely on others to act on our behalf. Whether it's buying a house, managing investments, or even booking a vacation, agency relationships play a crucial role in helping us achieve our goals. Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the law of agency. This area of law is essential in both personal and business transactions, and understanding it can help you navigate various professional and legal relationships more effectively. In ancient Rome and Greece, the idea of acting on someone's behalf was already in practice. Roman law recognized mandatum, an early form of agency where individuals could appoint others to perform tasks or manage affairs. During the medieval period, agency law evolved with the growth of trade. English common law began to shape the principles of agency, focusing on the duties and rights of agents and principals. This period saw the emergence of key concepts like vicarious liability, where principals were held responsible for their agents' actions. As commerce expanded, the need for clearer legal rules became evident. The 17th and 18th centuries brought significant developments in agency law, with cases and statutes refining the principles of authority and fiduciary duty. This era marked the formalization of agency principles in legal doctrine. A representative called an agent contracts with third parties on behalf of another person. Agency is the legal relationship between the principal and agent.
The creation of an agency relationship involves establishing a legal connection between two parties, the principal and the agent. Let's break down the key ways this relationship can be formed.
Termination of agency refers to the ending of the agency relationship between the principal and the agent. This can occur for several reasons, each affecting how and when the agency relationship is concluded. Here's a summary of the key ways in which an agency relationship can be terminated. 1. Mutual agreement. Both parties decide to terminate the contract for convenience, or because their goals have changed. 2. Operation of law. The principal and agent agree to